How to register and fund your Mirror Trading International account. You will need the referral link of the person who invited you to join Mirror Trading International. It will look something like this. Click on that link and you will be taken to the mymticlub.com website. Now click on the Become a Member button and you will be taken to the registration screen. Your sponsor's username will be displayed in the sponsor information section. Next, you will need to check whether you need to select the left or right-hand position. You will need to confirm this with your sponsor. Enter a username. The system will tell you if the username is available, and a password. Fill in your personal information: name, surname, email address, a valid mobile number, and then choose your country from the drop-down list. Once you have done this, click on the Register button. A screen will come up with a confirmation message, which will confirm your login details. You will also receive an email from Mirror Trading International confirming your registration. If you found this email in your spam folder, you can inform your system that it is not spam, and you will be able to receive other emails from the company. Now that you have your login details, please log into the back office at mymticlub.com. Then click on the Profile button in the menu on the left. Please update your personal details and upload your proof of identity. Once you have done this, you can click the Update button. Adding funds to your Mirror Trading International pool account. Click on the Wallet section on the left. A roll down will appear. Click on Add Funds. The payment information screen will appear. You can either scan the QR code or carefully copy the Bitcoin address to your wallet. Make the payment by sending the Bitcoin. Remember, some wallets require you to verify the payment via email. Fill in the details, the amount of Bitcoin you sent, and enter the blockchain transaction ID, or TXID, and upload the proof of payment screenshot, then click Submit. Once the admin has received your Bitcoin, it will appear in your trading account. However, in some circumstances, your balance may be in the activation wallet. Only if your Bitcoin is in your activation wallet, then click on the pool account in the menu on the left and the roll down and click Add Funds to Pool. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer from your activation wallet to your trading account and click Submit. Go back to your dashboard and confirm that your Bitcoin is now in the trading account. Each day you will receive a statement via email telling you the results of the trades. You can also log into your back office to see the results and your statements. Click on the View option to see your daily statement. That is your account and how to see the results from daily trading. Should you wish to refer your friends, you can send them your registration link, or you can help them to register by clicking on the downline registration link. For more information, please contact the person who sent you this video.